go. Warm it up.
Yay! He just keeps shoveling more and more snow in his mouth. Okay, you want to do it again? Come on!
We need a modification here. A modification here.
Okay. Aww, you love your dad. Look at all the hard work Pop-Pop's putting in for your sleigh run.
Little modification.
Casey, don't eat that snow. It has tiny needles.
That's dirty.
Grayson the Explorer.
Go, 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 go. Go.